Bro. Oh, dude. Why did they do that? That was goofy. Counted an 8 because Goofy stopped. I thought it was a PLR skip, but nope. Us four are gonna go grab some lunch at a burger place. Let's go. We are walking to Mad Patty's that William suggested. This is a big freeway. Oh, there's the burger joint there, Mad Patty's. We're all here now. Epic one-handed solving. Nice. Jake is doing 2x2 and he DNF'd. How's that, Miller?
We'll have a burger, let's take a picture.
Tom's got his burger, same with William. I've got mine with my potato jammies. Miller with the Pac-Man. Let's see, I'll check up on you in a few minutes. This is the gaming convention. There's some other games as well, and it's pretty cool. Let's go, gang beasts. He's stuck on the... We have like a 5 FPS frame right here. Oh man.
Oh, you're dead.
Oh, draw?
Are you fighting in the water or what?
I think it's a yep, draw.
No.
Oh, bro. Nice. Bro. I couldn't find a solution there. No. I'm gonna go for a 13.97. Not quite. ZB, but I'll take it. I'll take it. That's 2 minutes anyway. Just add the other minutes. Nice. Yay! Success! Tom's gonna mix up this 30cm cube that David Yee has brought for us. Oh no! Oh no!
Does anyone have a screwdriver? I don't think this is gonna end well.
Wait,
Yeah.
there's a screwdriver.
Yeah, it's a 10x10.
Wait, what?
That's a 10x10. It's only got one piece.
Alright,
3, 2, 1. Because don't pop it.
This is actually really easy. It just crumbled. No way did I actually get the ends.
Dude, you got it right. You got the corners as well.
No,
Oh, you have permutation.
Oh, no.
The permutation.
116.
116. Okay.
That is ridiculously low, I think. Yes! PR2. And that right there is how you get sub 1. Oh, are you serious? What? Dude, that was actually dumb.
Yeah, I mean, you guess it worked.
Bro, with Red Cross. Yes.
Oh, that was smart. Didn't you do yellow cross next to them?
Oh, nice. 651. Oh.
12.
I didn't know what to do there, but oh my god.
I had the same reaction. I was like,
You two doing 3x3 finals?
Yeah, we're actually going to be head to head.
Yeah. We'll see how that goes.
JJQ, bro.
JCQ versus JJQ.
What are you recording?
What's good? We got the boys watching.
This one?
Alright, yeet. Let's go. Alright, I'm in second. That's a good start. Although anything can happen.
Oh, I'm coming for you, Div. I missed the boost. I'm so bad.
Oh, hey, Dibnall.
Princess Boost.
No, he's.
No, you finished. Okay. Wait, you came first, second, third, fourth. Let's go, guys.
Hey, podium. I'll take it. Alright, let's see how this goes.
Is this like Candyland or something?
Looks like it.
I just mad.
Where am I supposed to look? I don't know.
Oh, no.
I'm in second. I'll take it.
Wait, you stop. No. My Rexo hit the banana. I was gonna hit you with the.
Come on, one more lap. No way, am I gonna win? Oh, let's go. First, I actually won. No way.
I suck.
What do you have to say, Dibnall?
I'm really bad.
Very nice.
Second place is the king, myself. First place with an 8.09 average, who will be getting a $260 gaming headsets.
Wow.
Is Phoenix Patterson and the winner of Big Cube Melbourne.
And in first place, by one person, was James Meyer.
Knocked over the chair. All of us
Prizes right now.
are gonna get prizes. Jacob!
Right, so who was our first place?
Headset?
Headset for first place. Alright, come over here. I just need to get a photo of you in front of one of the school tech buses.
See you day 2.
And that concludes Big Cube Melbourne 2023.
What did I get myself into?
Like 1.5 average. Time for some embarrassing track mania.
You got it? Nice. Here, I'll take that.
There you go, look at that. William Newman,
champion.
first place.
Explorer.
That was such.
209 average. I recorded the one way around.
I locked up so bad on the last turn though.
At least I can make it pure sub 40s. Never mind. Tom, how you going in Nalo?
Bro, I mean, I just got kicked for saying a bad word.
Jesse, how about you?
Gotta kick these fools' asses, bro.
Dude, what was that? What was that?
This is how the 2x2 OCR holder practices. There's a guy right next to me just watching.
When he retires from cubing, this is what he's going to do. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a 100 combo. One. How far is that going? What the hell is happening?
Who caused this damage?
Oh my god. I did not mean to do it. Oops. Bro, what? Clutching and counting 6.1, 6.3.
Place with a 7.78 average winning $45 is Min Yuan. In second place with a 7.05 average winning $75 is Phoenix Patterson. And in first place with a 6.66 average winning Kimi at the Game Expo 2024 and $140 is Felix Zambon.
No one's here.